everyone, and welcome to Long's Toys. Today we're taking a look at two new Ridewatches from the 9th wave of Gashapon releases for Kamen Rider GO. We have on the left Grease Blizzard, and on the right Garren. Now, no offense to Garren, I'm just not super familiar with Blade, but I am way more excited for Grease Blizzard here. Love the color scheme. Think the black and the light blue just look really great together. Sticker comes pre-applied, looking very sharp. Button on the top does nothing. You can see on the QR code down here, V052, which is also the number that's molded into the rail plate here. Go ahead and hit the button. Very cool sounds. Moving back to Garren here. Love the color scheme. I think the maroon and the kind of gunmetal gray really works well. Like that a lot. Sticker again looking sharp. V036. Also molded there into the plastic. I don't know if I mentioned, but both of these do come with batteries included. You just pull the tab. So very cool. Really love the sounds for both of these. Really excited to add these to the collection. Let's go ahead and bring in the GQ driver. Alright, so first thing you do, hold down the button. So it doesn't say Grease Blizzard, but I do appreciate that they at least put Grease's screen. Very, very cool there. You at least get the screen for Grease. Next up we have Garren. Go ahead and hold the button down. So as you'd expect, the screen just says Blade. So two more excellent Ridewatches to add to the collection. As per usual, I didn't bother to show them in any of the weapons because they don't have that second button, so they won't make any special sounds with the weapons. But definitely 100% super excited for Grease Blizzard. Again, not throwing any shade at Garren, just not as familiar with him, but I really do like the watch. The color scheme's great, but Grease Blizzard is absolutely fantastic. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, guys, thank you so much for watching.